We have Sahil, who is the owner of this fresh new concept called the Monkey Chef. Hi, Sahil. Welcome to Food Spa.
हाय शाहबाज.
Tell us a little bit about this new concept.
एक्चुअली मैं यूएस में था.
Okay.
तो वहाँ पे लाइक आई वाज वर्किंग इन द रेस्टोरेंट. द कॉन्सेप्ट लाइक ओवर देयर द सर्वर इट्स टोटली अ मैस्कॉट थिंग.
Okay.
एंड विद द फूड लाइक दे आर गिविंग अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस. So I thought like why don't we bring it to India? So like I with my friend Akram, what I decided like leave the job and like let's go back to India and like work and open our own restaurant and give the food, give the experience. So totally like it's the first time all over India we are having a delivery boy who is a mascot.
So you guys are ready for the surprise?
Yeah.
Any idea what it is?
No.
No.
Take a guess.
Any guesses?
You guys suck. Anyway. Let's check it out.
Should I?
Yes, please.
Wow.
Oh.
So our food is right.
Yay!
What do you have to say about it?
This
Now-
is awesome.
What I need to tell you is this thing which you see outside, hi, is not just for you. That is basically the first of its kind, a mascot delivering food to you.
Something super fun.
It is, right? It's amazing for surprises.
Yeah.
I think he's gesturing to me
Thank
that
you.
he's following my videos. Thank you. Please do. Let's get inside. Thank you. We finally have the food items over here delivered from the Monkey Chef. As you can see, these are 2 big packets of food and we are already famished. I'm very excited to try out the food over here. Now there comes a special envelope as well for us. So before we move to the food, let's open this. Wow. No, those who are guessing, that's not me. Huh? That's a very cute note with a special message for 380,000 members. It feels good seeing this number fresh after celebrating 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Very cute on their part. Thank you, Monkey Chef. So we have the starters over here first. Let's see what this is. So they have these cutleries on a little bit of an envelope over here. It's a sleeve. So you have these disposable spoon, fork, a toothpick, as well as a scratch card. Okay, that's interesting too. Now this I was not told. So let's scratch this over here. So what we won is a free chili chicken. All right. So for orders above 199, you get to, if you have luck, you get to win something. And we had luck, so we're getting a free chili chicken. So that's pretty cool. That's a bonus. We were not expecting it. I am not very sure it's going to be available from Zomato and Swiggy. So you need to tell me that in the comment section if you've ordered in future. And if you're getting these, please do let me know. I have my doubts. This might be just for people who are ordering directly. But if this is there through Swiggy and Zomato, there's nothing like it. That's amazing. All right. So the first item which we have, the first starter is a Bhutanese momo. Now it's mentioned over here, it's a guest's favorite. So let's see how it looks. Okay, this is kind of like a pan-fried momo without the gravy. So it's a mix of a pan-fried and a fried momo. Next starter which we have is a chicken lollipop. See how hungry I am. You can tell with the way I'm just tearing away the packets. Usually I'm more poised. Okay, I like the number of pieces which they've given. Although I would have liked these to be a little lighter on the color end because that means it is not as deep cooked or deep fried as it looks. It's a pan fried chili fish. The packaging is pretty good. It's in a container and it is properly packed so that it ensures that there's no spillage. So that's something impressive from a place which is relatively new. You normally expect the bigger brands to come up with such foolproof packaging. So this is your pan fried chili fish. And finally, honey chili chicken. Whoa. Right. A lot of sesame seeds on top. I can see some capsicums, some red chilies. Looks pretty good. Okay, so what we're doing over here is, since there are so many items, we're going course wise. Let's get done with the starters first, and then we would move to the main course. So let's start with, I think let's start with the momo, shall we? Honestly, the coating is totally gone because of the wait time. It's taken an hour to reach over here and the extra hour of shoot. So there's no way I can complain because of that. What I really like about this particular momo are, one, the stuffings is absolutely the way it should be. It's properly stuffed. Also, it's not chewy and rubbery even though it's cold. So I had the option of microwaving this, but I wanted to review it as it is. It's slightly on the spicier end. As I'm keeping on talking, the spice level is hitting me, but this tastes really nice. It's pretty good. Wow, when was the last time you saw me finishing a piece? New Year is bringing the new side of me. Yeah? Next up is the fish. Now the fish is pretty soft. Very impressive. No coating. It's directly fish fried. It's soft, not overly spicy. Perfect balance of flavor. It's pretty good. Very impressive. The next item is the honey chili chicken. Wow. These items taste so good. I can only imagine what it would have tasted if I would have gotten it hot. That's not an option because I'm shooting this at Rajarhat. So you'll need to bear in mind that it takes around 1 hour to reach over here. Each item tastes different and the quality is pretty good. Finally, the lollipop.
Chicken lollipop.
Although the chicken lollipop does not look very impressive, on first look this looks pretty dark. So I was expecting this to be slightly charred, slightly burnt, but it is not. It might not be very fleshy. You could make out from the shape of this, but again, I'm happy with the fact that they don't have a lot of coating even on this item. So what you see is basically chicken. It's pretty good. Food is good. Time for the main courses. So we have a mixed fried rice over here. Looks pretty good, filled with a lot of coriander and egg. We have a mixed noodle. And there's also this little tag of food spur which I really like a lot. This is the famous mustard fish which he was talking about. Off camera, the owner was telling me that this is one of their signature items. I'm gonna place it safely over here. This is the devil's chicken. It's not very difficult to fathom why they call it devil's chicken. See how red this is. Very devilish. And finally, we have a melted butter garlic prawns. Wow. People are applauding in the background. That's how excited prawns get us. Anyone watching who's planning to invite us over or send us food, make sure there's prawn. Alright, it's gonna give you brownie points. It's gonna give you prawn points. So this is what it looks like. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just get rid of this and get a plate over here, you know? I'll start off with the chicken with the rice. It's not as spicy as I thought, but the chicken is very soft. I must say, I am very impressed with the quality given by them. If they maintain this quality, I think they are assured success. Forget about the mascot bit, that isn't bonus. Definitely that's a bonus. But the food, if you go by sheer the food, so far I'm really liking what they've offered. Next up, let me try the mustard fish. So Sahil was raving about this off camera. As you can see, it's pretty fresh, the fish. This place is good. Guys, এতটা ভালো খেতে আমি বোঝাতেই পারলাম না। কি হলো আপু, হাসছো কেন? The mixed noodles, compared to everything else, since I have to be a little critical also, I think this can improve slightly because this has egg. So when the egg is mixing with the noodle, it's kind of giving off a little bit of a kind of a smell, which happens sometimes. I'm sure those who've tried this in the past, they know what I'm talking about. So this is really, if I really need to be pushed to give you a feedback on the negative end, this would be it, because everything else which they've delivered to us today was awesome. Guys, আমি পাচ্ছি না, আমি এটাকে directly খাচ্ছি, okay? This is my final one. Wow. This is insane. Not the gravy bit. The gravy bit could have been thicker, definitely. But the prawns are so soft. It just melts even before it enters your mouth. That's how good this is. And these are gigantic, enormous size of shrimps and prawns which they've given. So guys, তোমাদের experience কেমন? Arpita?
It's good. Food is really good.
What did you like specifically the most?
Devil's chicken.
What about you, Argo?
The food was really nice. It could be better like if it was more hot. Like the best part was the prawn. You can see the size, how big is it.
So that was how our experience went today. Introducing the concept of mascot, the first in India, like mentioned by Sahil. So we were very excited to be the first ones to get to review this particular experience, and all of us had a great time. Introducing the concept, a mascot, it's something which represents an organization. It's something which is meant to bring good luck as well as a lot of happiness and cheer amongst the people, amongst the guests, which was the case today as well. So it was a pretty unique, fun concept, and not just the concept, even the food which we've tried out. Like I've mentioned, all of this adds up to nothing if the food is not good. So luckily the food was good, be it the starters or the main courses, they've maintained the quality. If this is the quality which is maintained by them, I can definitely say that it's gonna do well in future. I'm talking about the food aspect, not the mascot aspect. That you need to order from your end, and you need to tell me in the comment section below how your experience has been. Initially, since it's very beginning for them, there is going to be some teething issues, so I am expecting there to be some amount of communication as well as organizational lapses, but we'll need to be patient about that. We are beginning with just one, so it is going to be a little bit of an issue if you're getting too many orders. So that is why they've kind of spaced it out. That's really good on their part. They've done their homework. So I wish them all the best. We really thoroughly enjoyed our day today. So we're going to be waiting for such fun opportunities which comes our way in future. So this is the first video which goes on Foodspa in a new year. We got a fresh new concept once again, so we're very lucky about that. And let's hope that we get a lot of such similar fresh contents, fresh concepts, and we get to cover them as well as bring them to you. The new announcement which we had to make is from today onwards, from this video onwards, we are going to be uploading contents twice a week on a fixed time. So every Wednesday as well as Saturday, 7 p.m. has been fixed. We ran a poll on YouTube community and you guys have asked for a fixed timing. So we're going to be following a fixed timing henceforth. You can always be prepared that there's going to be a new video coming from Foodspa, your favorite channel. And do, in case you have not yet, do subscribe to the channel, do click the bell icon, do share the contents with your friends and family if you're enjoying it. And until next time, this is Foodswerve and a wrap. Cheers.
You need to book the mascot prior one day to get the better experience. Basically, we'll cater all around Kolkata. We are available on Zomato and Swiggy too. So it's basically 5 to 7 kilometers of radius right now we are catering. Our kitchen is near New Alipur petrol pump. One offer every week, Tuesday, one of the lucky winner guests will give 1000 food voucher. So he can redeem anytime.
Okay.
In Monkey Chef.
Okay.
I mean, like, he can just give us a direct call. We'll deliver to his or her place
Okay.
free of cost. The one who will take the picture with the mascot, the maximum like on Facebook or Instagram,
Okay.
he or she will be the winner. From Tuesday to Sunday.
Okay.
You just need to give and tag us on Facebook or Instagram so that like we can be notified on that, and just screenshot and send us on Instagram. We do have 30% off on Swiggy and Zomato, and apart from this, if you follow on us Instagram, we used to play daily quiz. One winner every day, they used to win a free food over there, and like we used to enjoy a lot over there, like lots of guests and families, like lots of interaction.
Great. And what would be your Instagram handle?
It's Monkey Chef Kolkata.
Monkey Chef Kolkata. Thank you so much for delivering happiness to us. शुरू चामच टा दे हमारे. ओ 4 को लगे तो नूडल का जी फोक दे. चलो रेडी करो. Toothpick. Scratch why not it? Equal. এই তুই এটাকে স্ক্র্যাচ কর দেখ হচ্ছে কিনা তারপর আমি এটা
Point
করছি।
three.
करेंगे ना कुछ नहीं करेंगे अरे आओ ना कुछ नहीं करेंगे अच्छा पापा के साथ आओ पापा के साथ आओ चलो देखो वो अंकल वीडियो ले रहे थे आओ यहाँ पे आओ अंकल से एक फोटो ले लो जाओ
Wait,